Hey guys, today we're unboxing this cool Alienware monitor. If you excited as I am, please continue to watch this video and we will get started. Alright, this is how this monitor arrived to my house in this giant pretty box. I was very excited to open this box, but of course I have to show you because I'm pretty sure one of you are a fan of Alienware, and if you consider to buy an Alienware monitor, hopefully this video helps you because I try to record every step of my unboxing of this cool monitor. Here you go. So in a minute I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing, but I just wanted to show you quick around of the box, just to kind of give you the more visual if I could. Here we go. I'm cutting this tape and this cool feature of the box. Of course, it was my first unboxing of the Alienware. I was not familiar, so it took me a little longer. So just enjoy the preview of this box, I guess, while I'm trying to figure out in this video how to get to the actual monitor. So it has quite a tape in there that I had to cut, and I had to put it down because on the other side it was other two I call it clippers that I had to find and open it up. Here you go. So almost there, guys. Just few more steps before I can show you the actual product. So here I am. The box is huge compared to my size, I guess. So here you go. Here's the box, and of course for protection purposes it has a bunch of stuff there as well, so you won't see the monitor itself in a minute, but here's the instruction that was right when you open the actual box, so that's kind of convenient. You just have to make sure you don't lose it while you're unboxing the other stuff. Here's the box of stuff. Here, just put it aside for a minute, and it's very easy. I think they say even kid can unbox this monitor. So the actual assemble and taking stuff out of box, it was pretty easy, and it was just not a lot, but there was few parts that I had to take it out, and I wasn't sure what that is, so I was very careful of pulling things from that box. So here I'm trying to pull the other parts of it. So this is that's the thing that holds the monitor, I guess. It's pretty heavy. It felt like it's a metal. It might be a metal. I have to double check. But when I was unboxing, I was just unboxing, wasn't checking if it's like actual metal or not. So here it is, and here's the actual monitor that I'll show you in a minute. Look how big that is. So next thing here is the legs for the stand. It's felt like a metal, and it has this little thing that you connect to the tower, I guess. This that I call it a tower, but I'm not sure exactly. So this is the piece that connects the monitor and the legs of the stand. And this piece is actually will glow You see it right here. It's turned off obviously, but when you turn it on, this thing will it will lights up, and here there is a box of a bunch of cables, instructions as well, and here's the plastic thingy that will cover your cables when you put it together. You can basically close all your cables to look pretty on the back side of your monitor. So this is how that looks, and here we have a bunch of cables. One of them are charger, and some of them are cables, just to hook some other stuff. I will link in a description below what those cables are in case you're interested in looking for specific cables. But here I'm just gonna show you in a video how they look up close. Nothing specific, just a bunch of cables, and here's the plastic I told you about. So here's how the legs and stand looks like when it assembled. That hole in the middle, that's for your cables, and this is the part that you hook up the monitor. So this is the monitor itself, and this is so they put an instruction right there. It's pretty easy, 2 steps. You can see it right here, how to do right and how to do wrong. Like I said, it's built very easy, and it's just one click, and look, the monitor is on the stand already. So it came with this protection that was kind of like a taped into the sides, so you can just untape it. This is what I'm doing right now, as you can see. And once you do that, here you go, your brand new monitor is right here. Overall, the monitor is great. All the features are great. There's no disappointments. I had to mention one thing, that if you're looking for a monitor with audio thing, unfortunately this monitor doesn't have a speaker. So if you're looking for a specific one, please consider that this monitor doesn't have a speaker. So either you have to buy it separately, or you have to use, let's say, your laptop that will have a speaker. So that's one caveat that you want to consider it. So here you have control buttons and some other ones for on the back of your monitor. Here in close look, and you can see this monitor is already set up, and this is how it looks when it's on. Looks pretty sick. If look at this Alienware logo, I think that's pretty awesome. And I will just show you overview of this monitor when it's already assembled and it's on, so you can see for yourself if you like it or not. And like I said, it's a 34-inch, so it's pretty big. And this how thick the monitor it is compared to my finger, and it's curved, so you can see it's pretty cool. And I was trying to show you like a close look. Let's see if my camera will focus it. But overall, I think this is pretty good monitor, especially if you like gaming. That will be pretty cool. Again, no speakers on this one, which is kind of downside, but it's probably not a big deal compared to price and other features. So this is the cables that I told you, and you can put the plastic cover up, and here's the the charger. So it's kind of cool. It's almost no show on bunch of cables once you put those cover up. If you have specific question that you maybe are looking for an answer, please comment down below, and if I could, I will try to answer it. If you like my video, please like and consider to subscribe. I have few more Alienware unboxing that you might like, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.